and welcome back to Zendre's Yard Style Cooking. So what I'll be doing this evening, I'll be making my green seasoning, and this is preparation for tomorrow's dinner. I'm not going to make a big batch, just a small amount, but I'm going to take you step by step on how I go ahead and make my green seasoning. Alright, so the ingredients are as followed. So this is 1.5 green bell pepper. This is chopped. 1 onion chopped as well. Here I have some cilantro, my parsley, some escallion or green onion, garlic, some dry thyme, 1.5 scotch bonnet pepper, and some ginger as well. I have some dried parsley, my pimento seed, and about 2.5 tablespoons of white vinegar. I'll also be using some Maggi all-purpose seasoning as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that up and show you guys everything. So today I'll be using my blender, and I'm going to use the food chop portion to go ahead and blend up my seasoning and blend this all up. So I'm adding my bell pepper. I'm going to use my blender, also my ginger, my scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, you have to be very careful with the pepper, it's very hot. My dry thyme, onion, my garlic, my escallion to this. And guys, if you don't have any parsley or cilantro, you don't have to worry, you don't have to add that to it. Okay, you can still go ahead and make your green seasoning without these two. So now also my pimento seeds, a little bit of my dry parsley since I have parsley inside already, and my vinegar, and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and chop this up. So that's on. And I'm going to ensure that everything is at the bottom of the blender. So I'm going to turn this off and just check, just to ensure. Don't want to have too much space in the bottom. Right. I'm going to go ahead again and blend this. Okay. Okay, so now you have it. I want it to still have a little bit of chunk to it, but you can continue to blend it if you prefer to have a smoother texture to your seasoning. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead now and show you this. You just want to ensure that we get everything. Okay, and remember, you can always add to your green seasoning, and you can also take out from it as well. Okay, you can add whatever you choose to your green seasoning. So there you have it, my green seasoning. Hope you enjoyed today's video. and go ahead and try it and use it on your meat or whatever you choose to use it on, and tell me how you guys like it. Okay, so if you like today's video, I just want you to go ahead, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, tell your friend, tell your neighbor, tell your church sister, brother, everybody. Invite everybody to come on over. I have some great things in store for my channel. So until next time, I just want you to take care until I come your way again with something delicious. Take care.